always trans-designing. We're going to today make something like this type of background, same effect, same text, but we're going to change it around a little bit. Okay, you need to start off by opening up Cinema 4D. I'm going to start on this by spinning that around a bit. I'm going to go to MoGraph and MoText. Oh, wrong one. MoGraph, MoText. Okay, then you're going to change the text to trans. Obviously you change yours to whatever you want. I'm going to put the depth to about 40. And I'm going to put the alignment to the middle, center it up a bit. The font I'm going to use for this, I think I'm going to use Terminator. That's the one. And then we're going to make it smaller so it fits inside there. Next what we're going to do is go into the render options there. We're going to output. I'm going to put the width to 1280. I'm going to put the height to 720. I'm going to put the save, and I'm going to pick my save file and just chuck mine on the desktop as a text. Oh, spelled it wrong. Oh well. And we're going to change the format to a PNG, and we're going to tick this little box here that says alpha channel. That's about it for the render settings. Now we need to, let's say, move it around that way a bit. Now we're going to have to make some materials. Double click on that there. I'm going to pick black. I'm going to go to reflection, tick that box. I'm going to go click on Fresnel and put brightness down to 0. We're going to make a copy of that by holding down Control, left click and dragging it across. Then I'm going to double click on that one. I'm going to go on colour. I'm going to double click on the colour. For this I'm going to use blue. Okay, now I've got that, we're going to have to drag the blue onto the text and the black onto the text. After you drag the button, you'll go across the selection and put in capital C and the number 1. And then we're going to see what that renders like. As you can see, the sides are more hard and like chiseled hard and not very neat. So we're going to click on this mode text here and we're going to go to caps and change that where it says cap to put fillet cap. I'm going to put the steps to about 4. I'm going to put the radius down to 3. And I'm going to do exactly the same for the one underneath. But this time I'm going to put steps to 6. And I'm going to put radius to 2. As you can see now, in my opinion, that looks a lot better. If you prefer it the other way, you can keep it the other way obviously. But that's how I like mine. Okay. Now we've done that. You want to put the text in the position you want, for the way you're going to like it on your background. I'm going to put mine here. As you can see by the render, it's not very shiny, or you can see little bits of shine. To try and put more of an effect, I'm going to add a plane across the plane. I'm going to make that much bigger. Make it as big as you want, preferably really big though. I'm going to make another material. I'm going to put luminance up to 100% brightness, and then we're going to go into reflection. This definitely needs to be white, and I'm going to put that up to 80. Go. Chuck that on the plane there. Lift the plane just out of view. You go back to changing your view to how you want it. If you have a look, just put more shine on it. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it, but I think that looks a lot better. Try it in this direction. It looks nice over here. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, how's that look? Yep, we'll roll with that. Okay, now you should have rendered your text now. I'm going to go off this for now. And here's your text. It should open with Photoshop. If not, you just right click. Sorry about my computer going slow today. And you click open with and Adobe Photoshop. Now that should come up as a desktop size, as you can see. Now, hopefully. Yep, there we go. And you're going to click Control and T. Just transform, you change the size of it. mine about that size. Okay, and apply. And now I'm going to make a box for the background. I'm going to put that underneath the other layer. And now I'm going to change the colour of this. I'm going to change it to a black. For that, I'm not going to change it to black actually. I'm going to put a gradient on it. I'm going to put this one. I'm going to put some contour, bevel and emboss. Sorry, bevel and emboss. Contour. Change the contour. This is how I make my contour. You can do yours however you want, but this makes it look really shiny. And what you do is you click there, you drag up, and you go down and up and down. Try not to let any of this touch the top. I'm gonna do that quite a few times, and then I'll put it like there. Okay, so there's your type of chrome looking effect. You don't have to do that if you don't want, obviously. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing you a few effects you can do for your background. Okay, now that's there. I'm going to open up my effect pad. If you haven't downloaded my effect pad, I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so here it is. I think I'm just going to chuck a few sparks on and see how that looks. It doesn't go very well with that. There we go. If we put it about there, we put that underneath, it looks better. Yep. And then we're going to pour some smoke. Put that on this side. And as you can see there, there's a quick version of my background. See, mine's slightly different. If you want, we'll go on to this. We'll take off the bevel and emboss, take off the contour, and we'll just click off gradient overlay. We'll go on color overlay, and it's black. I like doing it like that. Obviously, sparks look better, but you want to change yours to what you want. See, there we go. And then obviously put whatever other effects you want on. Maybe a solar flare, maybe some flames. Not my type of thing, but in case you like it, well, there's my tutorial for today. And hope you like it. Enjoy. Hope it all goes well. See you later.